Most of us love to keep our skincare routine simple. We think that using the over-the-counter products will somehow translate into making our skin healthy and beautiful, but how can that be possible, right? Our skin gets its natural glow only when it is treated naturally. But the truth is that we avoid natural skincare routines only because they seem complicated. Obviously, nobody wants to search for ingredients that seem alien to them. Plus, our busy lifestyles leave us with very little time for all this, right? But we can take cues from Mother Nature into our everyday skincare routine. It's actually very simple and its effects are wondrous. If you're wondering how to go about it, well, here are a few ways by which you can look after your skin naturally and achieve a dewy, clear, and glow skin that feels like a dream. Number 5. Papaya. It isn't just great for breakfast or weight loss. It can also make for a beneficial mask for our skin. It helps to even out the skin tone, and over time, it can also reduce the appearance of pores and erase sunspots. Want to know our favorite way of using it? Mash up a quarter of a papaya, add some honey to it, and let it sit in the fridge. Remove and apply a thick layer of the mixture on your face and neck. Let it sit for a good 20 minutes and rinse. Number 4. Raw honey. If you're in search of a perfect product for cleansing your skin, then we suggest you don't look beyond raw honey. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of raw honey help to cleanse our skin without damaging its natural structure. Make it a daily skincare ritual to take some raw honey in your palms and massage it gently onto your face. Every day, after you've removed your makeup, let it sit on your face for a few minutes and rinse with water. Voila, that's all you need for soft, glowing skin. Number 3. Jojoba oil. This oil is the most underrated natural ingredient for beautifying our skin. It has a lot of benefits for us. It's non-comedogenic. It doesn't block our pores whatsoever. It helps to remove the most stubborn makeup, and its anti-inflammatory properties are all we need to bid adieu to red, inflamed skin during summer. Its structure is very similar to that of the sebum secreted by our skin, and that's why it serves as a great moisturizer. So, go grab a bottle of jojoba oil right away. Number 2. Rosewater. We scoured the internet trying to find the best facial mists, especially the ones that can be used during summers. We'll share our secret with you. Rosewater is the best natural facial mist ever. It helps to hydrate and rejuvenate our skin. Upon spraying it on your face, even your makeup will look like it's been freshly applied. And if you want that extra cooling effect, keep it in the fridge. Number 1. Coconut oil. We definitely don't recommend you to use this on your face because coconut oil is highly comedogenic in nature, but other parts of your body benefit in abundance from it. Using it as an aftershave treatment will leave your hands and legs smooth and shiny. So, the next time you shave your legs, apply some coconut oil after you've removed all the unwanted hair from them. Also, shaving creams are expensive and a tub of this oil is way cheaper.